I don't feel more comfortable in any part of the world than in that city. And as weird as it is,
Yeah.
कुछ तो बात है दिल्ली में. दे दे spoiler, मैंने देखी नहीं है.
But इसमें कौन सी hootenant है यार?
इम्तियाज सर, please kill him.
Did you not know what happened during Partition?
That's a spoiler.
Wasn't Imtiaz Ali also?
Yeah.
That तो he still is.
अच्छा.
वो अभी भी इब्तिदा उनकी थिएटर सोसाइटी चला रहे हैं.
आप कुछ लेंगे? चाय? नहीं. पानी? तो फिर आप चुप होने का क्या लेंगे?
आज नहीं. जरा मैं भी अपनी चोच गीली कर देता. तो it's what that है. Welcome to another episode of Popcorner. I am Shantanu.
I'm Akanksha.
And today we have with us a guest. In fact, the first guest who has come back on the
Why?
Popcorn Hour. No other guest has decided to come back to visit us and talk to us ever again. It has to be a special kind of person, a special kind of friend, a special kind of crazy to be someone who decides to come and spend time with lunatics like us. And it is an honor, a privilege, and a very, very... blessing to have with us comedian, actor, writer, performer, thespian,
And an all-round beep this Panky Lord.
Marika Dua is in the house. BKLs unite. Thank you so much, Malli, for coming and doing this.
शांतनु मेरे फ्रेंड्स नहीं है, तेरे गेस्ट्स नहीं है, तो हमारा ये म्यूचुअल चल जाता है. ऐसी कोई बात ही नहीं है यार. कोई फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं है.
This is thank you Malli for coming and joining us. Akanksha, over the last year of us doing this, has become the person who's like तू ये सारी घड़िया मतलब intros निकाल दिया कर और फिर मुद्दे की बात ये करती है. So Akanksha, please tell her what we are discussing.
First, I want to congratulations both of you कि तुम्हारे कप्स आ गए हैं
Thank you.
और
Yeah.
तुम्हारे काफी किलोज गए हैं.
It's nothing, yaar. It's the
Yeah.
injections.
Yeah, thank God someone saying it.
Too honest, stop it. No.
Yeah, it's all my hard work.
You put
Ram
Kela
Kapoor and I
oil
work out together. Yeah, we do. Yeah. Chalo, Akanksha, next one. That's
Yeah.
my Ram Kapoor impression.
It's
That's
accurate.
it's a good
It's quite
one.
accurate, yeah.
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 क्या बोल रहे हैं हम?
Delhi. We're going to talk about the depiction of Delhi in movies. You don't know this song? Delhi,
Of course, it's from No One
Delhi.
Killed Jessica. Yes.
So we're gonna
Not a
talk about
proud moment for the city. Never a proud
Never
moment.
proud
Yeah,
moment.
yes.
Good movie.
No One
Good
Killed
depiction
Jessica,
of Delhi.
movie title and also statement of Shayan Munshi.
Yeah.
Correct. That's the movie.
On
title.
that somber note.
But basically, we're going to talk about the representation of Delhi in Hindi cinema.
I love that.
And what are our favorite movies and all that. Bombay is associated a lot with Bollywood now, but I feel like
Yeah.
movies have paid homage to Delhi also a lot.
Yeah,
So
of
let's just
course.
fully get into that. 3 of us have lived in Delhi.
Oh,
I've
you've
lived the
also
least in
lived in
Delhi. I've lived for 8
Delhi.
years in
School.
Delhi.
And New Moti,
wow.
Chanakya kid.
Yeah.
Just like,
Yeah.
kind of like, yeah.
Similar
Bhai
vibes.
Behan. Yeah.
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 Twins.
Yeah. But I like North Campus more than Chanakyapuri. I'm just going to say it. I like my
Also,
North
I live
Campus
in
life.
North Campus.
Oh.
Yeah, like
Love it.
close to North Campus.
Love it. I like that life more.
Yeah, I live in Civil Lines. Like Khosla ka Khosla was short.
Love Civil Lines. There's a very fancy hotel known Civil Lines. Heritage
Maidens-
Hotel, that one. I
Maidens,
love
yeah.
that
It's
hotel.
very nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, another film was shot there. The Anuja Chauhan novel, na, Club You to Death.
Oh.
So they
Zoya
wanted to
factor.
show like a Gymkhana. R.I.P.
Murder Mubarak.
Sorry, Murder Mubarak, not Club You to Death.
Murder Mubarak is the one, na?
Sorry, Club You to Death is the book. Murder Mubarak is the film. Yeah, that
God
was
bless
shot
Siska
in
Chopra.
Maidens.
Oh.
Yeah.
I recognize that.
So Maidens Hotel was made to look like Gymkhana.
Yeah. What we can...
Yeah.
yeah. What we can start with is I feel like there are different flavors of Delhi that they show, right? Or being serious or okay, wait. Okay.
That just was so funky.
Okay. One way to show Delhi is this very like Lajpat Nagar Band Baja Bharat kind of a Delhi. And then there's also like Dil Dhadakne Do Delhi, which is the
Correct.
more like rich people.
Yeah.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So let's start with the neighborhood, the local, the proper
Yeah.
Delhi. Because I feel like that's like the spicy
Dil
masaledar
Dhadakne
wala
Do.
Delhi.
What? Which name? What are we talking about?
Which is your favorite like ये मजा आ रहा है दिल्ली की representation देख के.
यार हमने उसकी इतनी बात कर ली थी लास्ट एपिसोड में which is फुकरे. It is as Delhi as it gets. So if anybody wants to know our views on फुकरे, प्लीज वॉच द प्रीवियस एपिसोड. अ लिंक विंक डाल देना किसी के मुंह पे मार के. तो बट दैट फॉर मी दैट वाज लाइक पीक दिल्ली, यू नो, बिकॉज इट वाज आल्सो वेरी नॉर्थ दिल्ली. And I've seen that, or I've at least heard about that from my dad. So for me that was very Delhi. But another film that I enjoyed was, now I don't know, I might get called out or God knows what, but like I really enjoyed like Delhi 6.
Nice.
And I liked it for the color that it had. Like it got Delhi,
Yeah.
you know, very well. And it understood कि मतलब it was shot also very perfectly कि धूप यहाँ ऐसी होती है, रंग यहाँ ऐसे होते हैं, यहाँ का chaos like छत. Oh
Yeah.
God, छत is such a Delhi thing. You
Yeah.
don't
That green
have.
sweater. Abhishek
Green
wearing the
sweater.
green sweater on the
Yeah.
terrace, I still think of.
And अचार बन रहा है, ये हो रहा है, like some things like Delhi winter.
Yeah.
And of course the whole Dasera, वो सारा जो भी था.
Yeah.
And the streets of Delhi, the food of Delhi, the characters of Delhi, I think was very, very well shown. And not to forget Kala Bandar, जो
Yeah.
एक बहुत ही बड़ा phenomenon
Yeah,
था
I've been told by my
दिल्ली में.
cousins. हाँ, कि
It was
काफी बात होती थी
crazy.
इसके
Like
बारे में.
I was a kid or
Yeah.
whatever, and I
Yeah.
was very scared.
Yeah. Same. I was
Like मैं
also scared.
वैष्णो
Monkey
देवी का
man
वो
will come.
प्रसाद बेड के नीचे रख के सोती थी मैं, और एक चाकू एंड ऑल.
Oh, bye.
हाँ, मतलब मैं थोड़ी क्योंकि वो आज तक पे पूरे दिन वही चलता था ना.
Fuck यार.
तो
उसका
I
हुआ
was-
क्या था वैसे? कुछ था क्या
It
ऐसा?
was Cyrus Sahukar.
बकरा.
It was literally Cyrus Sahukar.
वो
In the
मूवी
fil-
की बात कर रहे हैं.
In the film, it was Cyrus Sahukar sleeping with Prem Chopra's young wife.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
dude, Vijay Raj in that film was too good.
So good. So
He was
good.
too good.
I really liked Delhi 6. I
Yeah.
liked the album. I liked the way it was shot, all of that.
And the music also, the lyrics, like I don't know, it really hits me when it says रहना तू
my
जैसा
God.
है जैसा तू, थोड़ा सा दर्द तू थोड़ा सुकून. And I literally, someone asked me my current relationship with Delhi, it's those lines.
Yeah.
Like I have nobody there right now, but I don't feel more comfortable in any part of the world than in that city. And as weird as it is,
Yeah.
कुछ तो बात है Delhi में.
Yeah.
What did you think of Delhi 6?
I really liked Delhi 6. I felt like I was a little tapped out towards the end of the film. थोड़ा magical realism and all
वो
that.
तो drama बहुत बन गया था तब
वो
से.
father-son element and all, they died up. But the broader movie I really liked. I like when they show Chandni Chowk in movies.
Yeah.
In a way that's realistic, not K3G wala Chandni Chowk.
Correct.
असली वाला
The real Chandni Chowk.
Yeah.
Like Hindi medium का first scene. देखा नहीं है तो देख लो.
It's that
Subtle.
alien
Very subtle.
the idea of the divisiveness in community living
Yeah.
का metaphor being something alien is there in Delhi 6 and it's also in मैं वापस आऊंगा ना. It's the same.
I haven't seen मैं
मैं
वापस
वापस आऊंगा
yet.
यूजर्स की मार्शन आए थे हमारे बीच में दंगे कराने के लिए
Correct.
in his
अच्छा.
dementia. He says यहाँ पे monkey man is
दे
essentially
दे
the
spoiler, मैंने देखी नहीं है.
but इसमें कौन सी
इसमें
who done it है यार?
Imtiaz sir, please kill him.
Did you not know what happened during partition?
That's a spoiler.
तुझे पता नहीं था क्या हुआ?
वो मुझे
मैंने
पता था.
वही
तो स्क्रीन प्ले तो मत बताना.
Fair enough.
screen पे नहीं
Spoiler
बताऊंगा
नहीं,
मैं,
but वो मजा मूवी देखने का. हाँ.
देखो अब जाके सपोर्ट नहीं करोगे ऐसी फिल्मों को तो कॉकटेल 2 बनती रहेंगी ना.
मेरे फ्रेंड्स नहीं है ना मुझे ले जाने के लिए.
Oh no.
अभी तो मैं फेवर्स करती हूँ. I'll do your podcast, you take me for film.
We'll go for Cocktail 2.
Yeah.
We'll go for Welcome to the Jungle.
Let's hate watch Cocktail
Ben,
watch,
2.
let's
she's already walked out
I walked out
yesterday.
in the
Listen, I saw
interval
some reel in which she says कि कोई नहीं, मतलब इस जन्म में तेरा. And रश्मिका is like हर जन्म में मेरा. मैंने कहा ये जरूर एक आदमी ने ही ये लाइनें लिखी हैं
उल्टी.
because it's simply not
क्या
possible.
ऐसे वैसे आदमी ने नहीं, लव रंजन के किसी दोस्त ने लिखी होगी.
I love Ranjan.
It is incidentally also a Delhi film. Cocktail 2 is set in
Cocktail 2
Delhi.
is Gurgaon.
Cocktail 2 is set in
I thought
Delhi.
it was set in Span.
ना
देखो, वो
स्पैन में
छुट्टी.
तो वो
Sicily to be specific.
Sicily गए हैं.
Yeah, they mention it 1,000 times, so you know
Sicily
that they're in
which,
Sicily.
And
But
Arambola
they do
Sicily.
Gurgaon. It's Gurgaon, Delhi, dude.
Arambola Sicily
But
करके.
this is a good point. Gurgaon movies versus Delhi movies are different. Love Ranjan is a Gurgaon.
Have I ever seen a Gurgaon
Tu
movie?
Jhuti Main Makkar
Jhuti Main
is not set in Gurgaon, but it feels like a
Feels like a
Gurgaon movie.
Gurgaon
It is
It
GK.
is Gurgaon.
Yeah, bro.
It's
they are-
GK.
No,
Oh
they are in-
yeah, his ghar is GK, but
His
it looks
but their office and all is Cyber Hub only.
हाँ, they do teow, teow, teow,
हाँ,
teow,
मतलब they're
teow,
not
teow,
saying
teow.
कि साइबर हब नहीं ऑफिस नहीं है उनका साइबर हब में वो बस लोकेशन है
ऐसे
जहाँ
मिलते
वो
रहते
ब्रेकअप
हैं
कराता है
cyber
उसका
हाँ।
पहला ब्रेकअप जो वो पॉन्ड्स वाली मॉडल का
correct
कराता है
but
वहाँ
that
पे
house is apparently GK
house it
Oh.
feels like a GK house and it
it
looks
feels a little Ghaziabad Faridabad like the scale like नहीं मजाक नहीं।
अच्छा अच्छा.
like it's a big house if
I
you
would
notice.
assume Maharani Bagh GK only but
maybe yeah sure
खानदानी रईस है showing.
car dealership
But
car अच्छा
family
हाँ
business.
then yeah
car
then it's
dealership
a-
business.
car
it's a
deal-
friends colony
like owner
Maharani
of
Bagh,
Jagdish
yeah.
store
oh like that
it's an owner of Jagdish store is the vibe that they have
interesting
Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra has done Delhi couple of times na
yeah
now
Rang De
Yes.
Basanti.
Rang De Basanti was
That's
Delhi
actually my
It was my
closest.
school, like the whole radio station bit.
Oh, man.
That was shot in my school,
That's
modern
your school.
Yeah, school is beautiful, modern school,
Oh,
Barakhamba
fuck, that's
Road.
an insane looking school.
not a Barakhambian
I'm a Barakhambi, but
not the Aditya Dhar movie
I think और भी वो हैं उसमें और भी फिल्म शूट हुई है हमारे स्कूल
Oh,
में
wow, यार.
कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना
और
कहीं
Habitat को DU दिखाया था ना
हाँ.
I think so, yeah.
That was the texture of I really
Yeah.
like that Habitat को DU दिखाया था they did the auditions in the Habitat amphitheater
Amphitheater, yeah.
वो भी I felt represented
yeah.
I felt represented because
Correct.
Habitat को उन्होंने दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी दिखाया as a DU person and
Yeah.
you briefly were at DU
Yes,
I know
I was there.
you went to D school
Yeah.
which is
Masters DU. Yeah.
which is as good
It is, yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, Rang De Basanti was my first exposure to what like being a student in Delhi versus in Bombay.
Yeah.
Very starkly different. Like Bombay student movies are like Jani Tu Ya Jani Na and all. The
Correct.
college doesn't play a very
And
central role.
it's horizontal being a student in Delhi.
yeah there it looks
Exactly.
like a frame from Dhwani Bhanushali's Vaste
Have you seen this?
Vaste
It's a classic.
Bro,
मैं जवां
He knows the whole
माही दूं,
choreography.
किस्मतों का लिखा मोड़ दूं
who's his Ozempic dealer?
He
Or
calls
is it
him
Ozempic lines में
Manjaro?
काट के कर दो
But you know, he finds her cute. He's not doing this ironically.
there is no need
He
to
finds Dhwani. He finds her
Dhwani is cute.
Wow.
We are not shitting on people here.
Wow.
it's after
Wow.
we stop rolling
No, okay.
But Rakesh
Cute,
Om
cute.
Prakash Mehra's, like, if you're looking at Delhi from the lens of how it's been represented in films
Yeah.
and what spoke to us,
Yeah.
like, say, Delhi 6 is great because when you go to eat at Chowdi Bazaar or you go to eat
Parathe wali
parathe
gali.
or Lotan ke chole kulche and all,
Yeah.
like that vibe they capture perfectly
And it
in Delhi
captures
6.
homesickness very well. Like, I mean, it's strange. The first time I watched it, I was back from college in the US and I was very homesick there. Privilege problems. But that is when I watched that movie and I don't know, because ek to wo Wahida Rahman's character is homesick. It changes something in Abhishek Bachchan eventually. And there's just something about it. Like, they don't show it as perfect.
Yeah.
But like he even says, India works. The people make it work. So, I mean, I don't know about the people, but India works, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Delhi 6 very solid. Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra grew up in Delhi or what?
Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra is definitely a Delhi
He's a
University
Delhi-
guy.
he gives
He's
me
got a
energy.
Hindu college energy, no?
I was in Hindu college for 1 year.
You also have Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra.
Wasn't
I read.
Imtiaz Ali also
Yeah,
in
yeah,
Hindu
yeah,
college?
That तो he still is.
Yeah.
वो अभी भी इब्तिदा उनकी थिएटर सोसाइटी चला रहे हैं मेरे हिसाब से and it's the most perfect and natural segue to move to another Delhi University
Rockstar
student
तो उन्होंने
इम्तियाज अली
स्टीवंस में की थी
हाँ,
लेकिन
Stephens. वो बोलते भी हैं she's from Stephens and all.
अच्छा।
They're establishing कि वो कैसी
अच्छा
type की है.
he is from Stephens.
He is from Stephens.
हाँ.
he is from Stephens he is
He's
Hindu
from Hindu.
Oh.
Janardhan Jakhad is from
हाँ.
Hindu
Yeah.
It's been a while since I watched. Yeah.
Rockstar was but they showed I remember from Delhi ka geographical representation Haus Khas village ka fort if anyone has ever been to it was the first place where first time I saw
Lakshya and this. अगर
Lakshya
मैं
भी था।
कहूँ they are walking
Lakshya तो
around.
Lodi का अच्छा
अगर मैं कहूँ is
I think it had
Haus
both Lodi Garden and Haus
Lodi
Khas.
Garden
Haus Khas also.
हाँ.
Yeah.
I-
Both Lodi and Haus Khas.
Oh, very interesting. So yeah, this Haus Khas village fort because in cinema, who are the directors who have shown Delhi in a way that's been aesthetically pleasing and not Fukre by lanes?
Yeah.
Fukre by lanes, even Shujit has shot very well. Shujit
Correct.
Sarkar has shot Vicky Donor,
Yeah.
which are the Barsati shots and the Kamlesh
Manish
Gill and
Sharma
Dolly
also
Ahluwalia.
Band Baja
Yeah.
Bharat. Galiyan of Delhi proper.
He's done North Campus, hardcore.
Yeah,
He's
yeah,
shown the shit, like the shit out of North Campus.
Rajpath and all also
Pakode
he's shown.
and all of that.
Bread Pakode, North Campus, Patel Chest, like those
Yeah.
those streets of North
Yeah,
Campus
yeah,
have been shown perfectly by Manish
And
Sharma.
then eventually when they're doing weddings and all, Lajpat Nagar and this, that, like they keep showing the evolution of them doing more fancy weddings. Na?
Correct.
So they're moving from across different neighborhoods in Delhi.
But
which
to
is fun.
stratify it socio-economically, let's make that easier than do it in a two sociology की masters है
मैं
ना
डर
शर्म
गई।
आनी चाहिए
डर
मैं बोल
गई
रहा हूँ
मैं।
ये मैं दिमाग लगाओ थोड़ा मैं कह रहा था so if you were to stratify it that way as opposed to going director hopping
Correct.
like Akshay Kumar or some actor, worst actor to name actually, John Abraham की तरह मिलाप जावेरी से इधर जा why stop naming actors, just stop,
अरे
say what you were saying.
continue.
Just do your inner
To
monologue.
sorry, dawai. If you sort of classify it that way, then we can look at which set of directors have contributed. Like earlier, your point earlier
Yeah.
saying Dil Dhadakne Do.
Yeah.
Dil Dhadakne Do and Laksh both are looking not at middle class, not looking at by lanes, not looking at Lajpat Nagar. Both are looking at upper class of
Correct.
Delhi.
Yeah.
Correct.
But the tone is slightly different.
Correct.
Both brother and sister have looked at it like I feel like the sister has looked at it has looked at a richer Delhi. Would you say?
Yeah, of course.
She looked at a richer Delhi. She
No,
looked at
Dil
private.
Dhadakne Do is a different.
Peak Delhi rich,
I mean,
That's Amrita Shergill.
or like
Akbar Road.
yaar.
हाँ मतलब और अकबर रोड और इट कुड आल्सो बी दो सदबरी फार्म्स एंड ऑल की मतलब
It is quite.
Chhatarpur.
It is Pushpanjali.
या कि मतलब इस तरह का वेल्थ है कि मतलब प्रॉब्लम भी हो रही है थोड़ी बताएंगे नहीं पर दिखाएंगे पूरा वो वाला एंड लक्ष्य वाज अ डिफरेंट लक्ष्य वाज लाइक आवर पेरेंट्स
Normal.
Laksh was
मतलब आई मीन रोमिला दत्ता's parents were like
Correct,
our
yeah, that
parents
felt more.
not
Shergill's.
yeah not the
current
Shergills,
Yeah, Romila
Yeah,
Datta
yeah,
was very
yeah, yeah.
relatable. I
Yeah.
keep talking the.
but our friends के parents were the Shergills.
That's familiar.
You know?
Yeah,
The
familiar.
ghar was nice. I liked the where MK Raina and Lilette Dubey stay.
Yeah.
It could be I don't know. It could be
Railway colony का घर.
or it could be Gulmohar Park. It could
could be, yeah.
It could be Hadko Place. It
Yeah.
could be Gulmohar Park. It could be Moti Bagh. It could be whatever.
चाणक्यपुरी
हाँ, it was that vibe.
Yeah.
It was close enough to
डेफ कॉल भी हो सकता था लेकिन तब का डेफ कॉल
old.
नॉट अब का नॉट ये स्टिल्ट्स वाला डेफ कॉल
I'm thinking why like Press Enclave Gulmohar Park is
Yeah.
where I'm leaning
Yeah,
towards
yeah.
because IIC is approachable.
Yeah.
Correct.
Like वहाँ से जल्दी पहुँच पा रहे हैं ना because that's
Yeah.
where she's rushing
And
off
she's
to.
like मैं इंडिया इंटरनेशनल जा रही हूँ
हाँ.
and all us Delhi kids were like अरे पापा
मम्मी
तो वही रहते हैं
मम्मी
चले गया.
मम्मी that's what I was
Yeah, but I like this idea of like what is the middle class Delhi representation and what problems they show in those movies. Like for example, Pico is an example. Shujit Sarkar
Yeah.
predominantly shows middle class, upper middle class in
Yeah.
CR Park
Yeah,
की vibes.
yeah,
Yeah.
That was very CR Park.
Yeah, and the problem in those movies is more like how do you continue intimacy, care, and things like that, versus Band Baja Bharat, which is like ambition. How do I fucking survive and live my
Yeah.
dream? And so that's an interesting way to think about Delhi for sure.
So
Yeah.
let's go top to bottom.
Acha.
What is the bottom of this stratification
Like
and
the
Delhi's
most-
representation? Like yeah,
like
yeah.
the
Delhi.
ugliest representation
The ugliest representation though will of course be representing Delhi for the
Violence.
toxicity
The
and
crime,
violence and
yeah.
crime and assault that it is not bereft of at all.
Yeah.
In fact, which is thriving
Yeah.
there. But let's look above that for the sake of levity
Okay.
of this conversation.
Sure,
Let's
Sure.
ignore
Yeah.
assault perhaps.
Because that's the cliche also. People expect us to talk
वो
about that.
Delhi crime and all में दिख रहा होगा ना
when
वैसे?
I said ugly I meant aesthetically तुम तो कहीं और ही ले गए
Rajori कहाँ पे?
That is the worst kind of stuff to say, Akanksha. There is no reason.
नहीं बोलते क्या ऐसे? ऐसे नहीं बोलते क्या? You know, there's a really funny reality show called Delhi Darlings. I
it's
don't know if
the
you'll have...
best
Yeah.
I've
it
seen
is
it all.
It's right before
legendary.
Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives.
I've
right?
seen it
It's the
all.
OG. Same
Delhi
even I've seen.
Darlings is peak like you know a lot of my stand up comic friends are like कि Delhi का crowd सबसे tough होता है and I get it because I'm like यहाँ तुम घर से निकलोगे
Characters.
तुम्हें कॉमेडी मिल जाएगी तुम पैसे दे के जा रहे हो तो it has to really top that
Be absurd, but like...
yeah you
yeah,
really have
yeah.
to top it
The Jagrata shopping that
Yeah.
they do on Delhi Darlings is hilarious, but no one has captured that properly, na?
In a movie.
or at least properly delved
What?
into
The Jagrata scene of
हाँ,
Delhi?
because that's not economically there's
Guys, फुकरे में
underprivileged.
सबसे आइकॉनिक जगराता सीन है
फुकरे ही
जे
है
मैं
बस।
हुंदा दातिए मोर तेरे बागा दा and he's like किथे मर गया चूचा. It's like the most
ओ किथे मर गया चूचा
and it's the most realistic but one notch up Jagrata. Sorry guys, I can't stop talking about Fukre one. I have a problem. Yeah.
We were just discussing Fukre earlier, and we were talking
Yeah.
about if OTTs had arrived earlier, would you think that they would have taken a punt on a movie like Fukre theatrically, and they would have probably just done
They
an-
would have shoved it in OTT.
है ना?
Yeah.
Maybe a
and
show, they would have made it a show
they
or
wouldn't have
something.
realized only that this is something that's capable of making money at the box office because they
Correct,
wouldn't have
correct.
taken that
वो
punt,
chance ही नहीं देते उसको.
which is what we were discussing
Yeah, yeah.
earlier.
This ugly
So
वाला
many
concept.
movies यार. इतनी सारी फिल्में नहीं आती कि क्योंकि उसमें कुछ वो नहीं है. Edgy नहीं है वो.
Scale नहीं है,
Have the
edgy नहीं
big,
है.
say, 3 stars, Shah Rukh, Amir, Salman. Like, we know Ranbir has done a Delhi boy.
Yeah.
Ranveer has done a
course,
Delhi
started
boy.
with
Yeah.
Has Shah Rukh, the Delhi boy, ever done a Delhi boy?
Fan?
In a
fan?
film.
I mean, he's done Fan, that Gaurav Chandna character, I guess.
हाँ.
But in a film, yeah, because that would be a true homecoming.
दिल्ली का
no?
लौंडा.
भाई ये तो सोचने की बात है सोचना पड़ेगा ना इतनी बड़ी फिल्मोग्राफी है.
Yeah.
इतनी बड़ी filmography.
Fan
में
is the only one I
feel
can
like
think of.
he's done Delhi and he's done an interesting depiction of Delhi, but in
Where
Mani
was
Ratnam's,
Maya Mem
Mani
Saab
Ratnam's
set?
lens.
हाँ.
Maya Mem Saab, I don't know where it was set.
I don't know either.
किसी director के ख्यालों में. But it was the All India Radio office.
Shah Rukh Khan has never played a Delhi guy.
Yeah, it's
No.
weird, na?
Has he played a Punjabi or was he Malayali? in-
K3G was a Delhi
But
guy
I not
living in a
counted.
That's
castle.
London, yeah. That's London, Delhi.
In a castle.
10 minutes from Chandni Chowk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
God.
Mani Ratnam in Dil Se.
They'll say he was a Delhi guy.
Yeah, I don't know if he was.
He's some kind of a
part
government
Malayali.
official.
Was there? He was in All India. Yeah, his father was a.
Chak
Baby.
De!
Thank you. Yes.
There
Chak
you
to
Hey
be.
guys, what a...
Kabir Khan.
Kabir
dude.
Khan was
Living in
Delhi.
Kabir Khan
Kabir
was
Khan was Delhi. Dil Se was
sure.
Delhi.
Yeah,
Dil Se was
yeah.
Delhi. Chak De was Delhi. Salman
Doesn't give
Bajrangi
me
Bhaijan.
is also Chandni Chowk or what?
Chandni Chowk. That is
Yeah.
Chandni Chowk.
It's slightly Film City Chandni Chowk. It doesn't feel
Of
that
course,
the
it's-
texture doesn't
it's
feel.
not that
Yeah.
Delhi,
Yeah.
but I think it's set in Delhi only.
Chandni Chowk were probably set in Delhi.
Yeah.
Haan.
Yeah.
And Amir, of course, has done Rang De Basanti.
Mean.
And nothing else.
I feel like Amir's done like a Punjabi.
He has done. I'm sure he has. ये 3 Idiots कहाँ था?
हाँ,
But
Delhi था.
but he was from the hills. Yeah.
But फिर भी Delhi. Delhi only.
That's a Delhi. That's set in Delhi.
an
Yeah, they are
IT, yeah,
roaming
yeah.
around Kalu Sarai,
Correct.
SDA type areas.
Correct.
Key texture hai.
Yeah.
We have one guy who I think captured lower middle class Fukre, a director who captured that very well, which was not the Fukre strata,
Yeah.
but
In a
did it
different way.
In a darker way is Dibakar
Dibakar
Banerjee.
Banerjee. Yeah.
And in fact, both Khosla and Oye Lucky Lucky Hoye
Yeah.
were.
Very.
Too
yeah.
good, yeah. Too
I have
fucking
not
good.
seen it. I have not seen Delhi depicted better
Yeah,
than I've
really.
seen.
Yeah.
Between Rajshri Ojha and
Oh my god. Yeah. Aisha was set
Yeah.
in Delhi.
Aisha.
मैं तो भाई Rajshri Ojha to Dibakar.
Yeah.
You want to discuss Rajshri Ojha because I'm
Yeah.
a big fan, but I
Yeah.
feel like you guys have a better understanding of it.
I mean, I find Rajshri Ojha's Delhi more relatable, unfortunately, because of privilege. But I can recognize the Bakar's Delhi very
That's
easily.
what you see versus what you've lived. थोड़ा सा
हाँ,
उतना
I've
difference है.
lived, मतलब less Delulu and less like.
Of course.
I'm from Dibakar's
Let's
Delhi,
candy
yes.
floss
but
and all that. But
obviously, it's the Rajshri Ojha. Yeah, like
yeah.
by virtue of the company we
मैं
kept.
तो
on.
पनीर पकोड़ा शेयर करता था
But
जाके
actually, I
restaurant.
had both. No, I can't say this because I lived in North Delhi.
Yeah.
My dad grew up in refugee colonies. So he really had tales to tell about Delhi University, Hakikat Nagar, Derewal Nagar, ये सारे जो जितने भी refugee colony वाले areas थे. And so we lived that also. Like I think my life with my cousins was that Delhi. And then my life with my school friends was
Aisha
the
Delhi.
Aisha, but few notches
हाँ. Obviously.
calmer Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Rajshri Ojha कहाँ से? Is Rajshri Ojha like from Delhi or Bombay? Do you know?
I
You
don't
know
know,
her?
but I think it must have been like I think they wanted to show what was Clueless पे based थी ना
Yeah,
आयशा?
Clueless,
हाँ, तो
Clueless.
अगर आपको ये दिखाना है opulence and whatever, आप ये बम्बई में इतना नहीं दिखा सकते ना
नहीं,
विजुअली इतना
हाँ।
अच्छे से.
They went
बिल्कुल
went
नहीं
deaf
दिखा
call.
सकते.
They didn't go crazy.
No, but they had to switch from Bombay to Delhi, I think.
Yeah,
and
for
even when
sure.
they did show Bombay, but for very specific things.
But
कि
her
बारिश
styling also
दिखानी
changes
है
in
और-
Bombay, no? She's a little more subtle.
Her styling changes. She's wearing kaftans.
Yeah, exactly.
But at the
exactly.
hospital again, she's
Yeah,
in
yeah,
her
yeah.
Lady Dior, like anything was happening.
And the sister who she goes to meet is living in a flat in Delhi, in Bombay.
Correct.
Versus Delhi, they have like a
Yeah.
two-storied bungalow and all that. Those small
Vidushi
things make a
Mehra.
difference. Yeah.
Yes.
Vidushi Mehra, shout out. What's up,
Shout
bro?
out.
But
Yeah.
that's interesting because when you look at a director who's from Delhi, जैसे कि दिवाकर है from Mayapuri, Maya Enclave,
हाँ.
which is just border Narayana के border पे है, west पे है. So he's from there, so he understands the context for him is very easy.
Correct.
You look at a Ramesh Dio's son or an Abhinay Dio,
Yeah.
and his take on Delhi will be very like pandering to the west.
What are the
Tourist
movies
का
he's
take
made,
होता है
guys?
ना.
What are the movies?
Delhi Belly.
Delhi Belly.
He made Delhi Belly,
ठीक
but
है.
when you look at Delhi Belly, it doesn't feel like a Delhi guy has made it at all.
Also,
No,
Delhi
it's a
Belly could be
Bombay
anywhere.
film.
It's
Yeah.
a Bombay
Bombay
film.
film.
It's a Bombay and LA film.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's like
It's
if-
a Bombay and LA film.
It's if LA and Bombay together were like,
agree.
hey, what does
Yeah.
Delhi look like? Oh, it's a GB road. It's a,
Yeah.
it's they start with GB road.
Yeah.
They start with some Barsati. They start with some like very cosmetic benches.
Some
Correct.
guy in a Range Rover shooting. Like that's
And
the
the
idea
main
that
Delhi
someone outside of
representation
Delhi.
there is Veer Das, who's not even fully Delhi technically.
Even that, even her boyfriend,
मतलब
who's
he's lived
jealous.
everywhere.
He's lived in Noida. He's
हाँ
a
मतलब
DPS
it's not
Noida
a
boy.
ऐसा नहीं कि दिल्ली के लड़के दिल्ली प्ले कर रहे हैं like you know how in sorry I have a problem फुकरे
Choochmeister.
yeah so they were like
Gotta love Choochmeister, man. He's
Yeah.
my favorite.
so
Varun.
you know that representation was
Yes.
there.
Yeah.
Even Pulkit, Pulkit is
I'm
an
Yeah,
really
yeah.
amazing
going
actor.
to, yeah, I'm really going to like him.
Pulkit, no?
Yeah,
I just saw
yeah.
him in Glory and I've been fanboying ever since.
I have to watch Glory. I'll watch it. Yeah.
But that's interesting because this is a Bombay director
Yeah.
that's looking at it.
Yeah.
Shujit is obviously not from there. If you dial it back little,
Huh.
Sai Paranjpe.
Amazing, iconic. Like
Yeah.
that's the Delhi that I see in my dreams. I've never seen that Delhi actually, but that's the Delhi I've heard about growing
What
up.
is this, guys? Which movie?
Chashme Band.
Chashme Baddoor.
Oh, okay, got it.
Like that film
Beautiful. Yeah.
literally uses Delhi as a character, you know?
Huh.
And it's very nice. Like even if you're not from there,
Yeah.
you want to know ye kahan hai, ye kahan hai, ye kahan hai. And it's kind of sad that when I see it now, I'm like that cafe that they go to जहाँ वो टूटी फ्रूटी आइसक्रीम खाते हैं. That's in Talkatora Garden, and I don't think that cafe exists anymore. Obviously, it doesn't.
Yeah.
But I know that my father would have seen it, or my mother would have seen it, or something like that. So that's like a Delhi जो हमने देखा ही नहीं, but हमें still
But yeah,
nostalgia है.
and when they remade it, they didn't do Delhi well.
I haven't watched the remake yet.
Even I haven't.
There is no
Her
way.
friend
Would you have seen it?
कमीना होता है.
मैं चांस ही नहीं है कि मैं देखूंगी.
They had
मैं
Divyendu
साई
play.
परांजपे का कोई
And Ali
रीमेक
Zafar.
अगर कोई करके दिखाए मैं नहीं
David Dhawan
देखूंगी.
did.
Ali
no?
Zafar, Tapsi
Ali
Pannu.
Zafar was Farooq Sheikh.
अच्छा.
Tapsi Pannu was Deepti Nawal.
Nawal, yeah.
And they had Siddharth playing Ravi Baswani
अच्छा.
and Divyendu doing
But like,
someone.
yeah.
Rakesh Bedi. sorry.
Chashme Baddoor also shows like those houses which you associate with Delhi, you know?
Yeah.
Like they're not multi-storied. You see like those 3-4 वाले flat, उसके आगे there's a छोटा सा
हाँ,
garden.
और ये
It's
लोग
neighborhood.
बरसाती में रहते थे.
हाँ,
ये लोग
Like
बरसाती
three
में रहते हैं, तीन
bachelors
लड़के.
in a बरसाती.
The in-betweeners before in-betweeners.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
what they
yeah,
set up.
yeah.
But
You all
Also
think
to be able to afford living in defense colony, that is where the बरसाती was.
हाँ.
Yeah.
अब तो ये नहीं होगा. Like अब की दिल्ली में अगर आप
बिल्डर
student
फ्लोर
हो-
वाले घरों में बरसातियां कहाँ हैं अब?
ये भी बात है बरसातियां है ही कितनी और
This is
अगर
justice for Barsatis.
yeah
Rocky Rani is also Delhi, no?
yeah it is it's shot in this Randhawa mansion was the Leela Palace.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
But that Dharma's Delhi and Excel's Delhi, I mean Excel's is still
Made in Heaven
closer
is
to
thoda
Delhi.
real, I feel.
हाँ, Made in Heaven
Made
is
in
real.
Heaven, Delhi is real.
But धर्मा का दिल्ली का वो तो कासल में रहता था राहुल रायचंद ये
garden.
पता नहीं लीला में रहते हैं
She also supposed to be from some humble background and all. She also
हाँ
lives
I
in
mean
one.
ये कैसा घर है भाई शी इज लिविंग इन शांति निकेतन
It is a-
Bengali so
it
Shanti
looks like some derelict like it's like a CR Park home meets a जिसमें प्रॉपर्टी में दो भाई लड़ लिए हो ना बैंड्रा में
It's
जो
a
पुराने
Hawali.
प्रॉपर्टी पड़े होते हैं.
I mean but that is their they are staying true to their universe
Yeah,
right
sure,
which is
sure.
जहाँ बस ये
Glamour.
दुनिया exist करती है
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's another side of Delhi which I think one should show and movies show it well is Delhi is a rare city where people come together to protest. Right? Not a lot of cities do that as well as Delhi does, maybe because of the history and all of that, but No One Till Jessica, for example.
Yeah.
That India Gate, if you're just invoking that visual of
Yeah,
people
yeah,
marching
yeah.
and feeling a sense of like responsibility of being an Indian citizen,
Yeah.
I think No One Till Jessica, Rang De Basanti.
Rang De
it has
Basanti
a
is the
scene,
pioneer.
important scene.
Rang De Basanti pioneered that, I know.
Yeah.
But there is a one Delhi that it would be a shame if we did not discuss while we have Malli over here.
Oh my God.
There is a Delhi
Huh. Okay.
with Irfan in it
Yes.
and Malika in it called Hindi Medium.
It's too funny.
I can't get over
too
Hindi
funny,
medium
dude.
because Hindi medium subverts जो हमारा सारा conversation है ना वो एक दिल्ली को लेके दूसरे जो हम बोल रहे थे the bottom ugly aesthetic Delhi it doesn't
Merge
flip
हो
on it
जाता है.
वो merge
Yeah,
हो
it's
जाता
like
है
yeah.
we're going to become the other ones.
Merge हो गया.
Yeah.
I can't get over हम शुद्ध गरीब हैं I still think about it all the time
गरीबी में जीना एक कला है हम सिखाएंगे तुम्हें क्योंकि हम खानदानी गरीब हैं
I can't I physically have a reaction to Deepak Dobriyal you know I
Yeah.
see him and it's such a fucking
We always gather and talk about Deepak Dobriyal.
We do this. Fukre
Yeah.
Deepak Dobriyal is our niche.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
will only discuss it.
And
Yes.
now
and Richa Chadha.
her the cameo, the dynamic cameo.
Dynamic
It's
cameo.
too funny, dude.
Yeah, and it's all over Instagram, so you
Yeah,
can't
it
escape
became a
Malika's
trending
voice.
audio ना what is that मन दिल कर रहा है ना आपका खाना चाहते हो आप तो खाएगी अच्छा ठीक है ऐसा करते हैं हम लाइट रखेंगे एक फलूदा शेयर कर लेंगे आप
मन है आपका दिल कर रहा है ना तू बता तू खाएगी खाना चाहते हो आप
I'm sorry, that was too. I got too excited. I
मन
got
है
too
ना दिल कर रहा है ना आपका
Improvise the word. You improvise this word.
yeah that we
Fuck
improvised.
crazy,
Yeah.
fully improvised. This is.
I don't remember if it was fully improvised but definitely all of this हम light रखेंगे and all of that was
yeah.
improvised
There are no. There is
Shout
no.
out to Kulbir ji, who is also Ehsaas's mother. She was
Who was here earlier
amazing.
today?
That's what's here.
She was
amazing.
just here. Kulbir. Oh, that was you and Kulbir ji.
Yes.
यार कमाल हो गया.
Dolly and mummy.
Dolly and mummy.
And वो actually हम उन दुकानों में ही थे लाइक हम
Insane.
एक उसका बिट करोल बाग में हुआ था फिर कुछ बिट चांदनी चौक में हुआ था एंड हमें एक्चुअली वहाँ रोशन दी कुल्फी आके दी उन्होंने एंड वहाँ लहंगे भी थे एंड ऐसे ही होता है आप अगर जाते हो खरीदने आप बैठो आराम से क्या खाओगे आप
Actually, खाने का पहले ही पूछेंगे.
And Irfan
Yeah.
sir was just so natural about it. He didn't have that gaze of mockery or anything. He was just completely at ease. Like even when he wears that lehenga and he poses, you can just tell that this is not a guy who's mocking it. Similarly, grahak hai and grahaks are sees very often. But how do I make them feel special? Because this is a bride and the bride is my greatest client.
Yeah.
And in Delhi, brides are like everything, right? क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा खर्चा चाहे आपके locations हो, आपके कपड़े हो, चाहे
Jewelry.
कुछ भी हो. Like Delhi and shadis is a thing.
It's intense.
Do we have a film like that we want to leave the audience with in terms of one movie that you think represents Delhi in a very interesting way and is probably not out there as much as the other ones that
I
we
would say Chashme Baddur, but that Delhi doesn't exist. But if you want to know more about Delhi,
Saib,
Yeah.
Saib Paranj pe Chashme Baddur.
Yeah,
You-
I'll
you-
rewatch. I'll
100%.
rewatch. I watched it years ago. I will think. You say first.
Okay, I have one. It's called Aloo Chaat.
I haven't seen it.
Aloo Chaat
That
is a-
mix it up, yo, mix it up. I haven't seen it.
वो गाना है क्या उसमें इसका?
Like Aloo Chaat, hilarious film.
Yeah.
And you have to watch it for the dynamic between Kulbhushan Kharbanda and his Sala, who lives with him in the family, played by Sanjay Mishra, called Chadami.
Oh, wow.
And it is one of the it's set in the Vicky Donor universe. It walked so that Vicky Donor could run. So I would say that Aloo Chaat, and it's slightly obscure because it's an Aftab Shivdasani Amna Sharif film.
Acha.
So like not a lot of people went out to watch the film.
Yeah.
But it is top quality. It basically paved the way for a representation of Delhi that Vicky Donor then eventually went on
And
to
then Mickey Virus
capitalize
fucked
on.
up.
Mickey
Oh,
So it's
Mickey
Aloo
Virus.
Chaat, Vicky Donor, Mickey
Mickey
Virus.
Virus.
Come on, yaar,
Guys,
Manish.
we've not spoken enough about Khosla Ka Ghosla at
Yeah,
all.
dude, it's just the best movie.
Like everything about it is so Delhi. Like from the kind
Theatre.
of house, the theatre culture, and how it's very aspirational, to the gundagardi about property,
Yeah.
and then like the interaction between people कि
Yeah.
आप कुछ लेंगे चाय नहीं पानी तो फिर आप चुप होने का क्या लेंगे?
नहीं. I feel like you've done that to me at
It
some.
lands too well.
That bit where Naveen Nishchal says that reminds me of my dad. Was like his sarcasm. आप चुप होने का क्या लेंगे?
Too good, yeah, too good.
जरा
Every
मैं भी
punch.
अपनी चोच गीली कर लेता थोड़ी तो is what that guy.
And
तेरे बाप ने कभी 2% देखे और whatever he said.
And you know, Baban Irani is obviously playing a slightly heightened character.
Yeah,
ना?
but he's
वो
got something-
Caricature नहीं लगता है, dude. Real लग रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा.
I
Like
mean,
Baban
you're-
Irani.
Even आपके साथ बैठना है. And these are peak Delhi things.
हाँ, आपके
ड्रंक होके पागल हो जाता
हाँ.
है. गाड़ी तक आप निकलने ही नहीं देता उनको.
Like I don't
It's
know
too
what
good.
he studied to get those nuances.
It's brilliant.
He keeps talking about how he was feeling very challenged to do that Delhi because he said Anupam Kher was samne and they were very skeptical.
yeah.
They'd gone to someone else and it came to him and he was very nervous as he was prepping for it and fucking knocked it out of the park.
Yeah, and he made it
brilliant,
his
yaar.
own. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ.
like
Yeah.
he made. Like I was on his side. I'm like, even if you are mocking certain people in Delhi, you're doing a really good job.
It's
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
Deepika Padukone in Chennai Express.
Oh yeah.
You know,
I'm
it's,
fully
the
on
farce
board.
is there, but
Yeah.
the farce works.
Works.
Yeah.
The
It
farce works.
It's not humiliating. I know a lot of people say it's humiliating, but it's not. Even
It's not
Deepika,
because she's
I
also
didn't
from
find.
the south, so it's
So
she's
allowed.
allowed. जैसा मैं बोलेगी वैसा तुमको करनी पड़ेगी.
Bakwas dictionary is very
कहाँ से खरीदी ऐसी बकवास dictionary?
There's another one which I think we've spoken about a lot, but it's a really good Delhi movie. I feel like Monsoon Wedding. Because it's a
Oh,
wedding
yeah,
happening in a
of
very
course.
typically Delhi house,
Yeah,
and the
fully.
contrast between where Vijay Raj stays, which is I'm
Oh,
assuming
yeah.
Chandni Chowk only,
Correct.
and where he stays,
And
Nasiruddin
within
Shah.
that house, the contrast between Alice's world and
Exactly.
the rest of the people
Yeah,
की दुनिया.
yeah, yeah.
And वही शादी.
Lawn में हो रही है और
दिल्ली,
कहाँ होगा?
आप दिल्ली में शादी लगा दो, सब अपने आप एक्शन होता है उसमें.
And the way Nasiruddin Shah gets work out of Vijay Raj also.
Yeah.
Na? So like, कर लेना, कर क्या है? And he's like, कर लूँगा. It's really good.
Yeah, definitely.
But that what this basically tells us is that there's a lot to discuss about Delhi.
Yeah,
And we are unfortunately
We've
at
scratched
that
the
point
surface.
here where
Yeah.
we've just scratched the surface of Delhi,
Yeah.
which means that you in the comments have to tell Malika Dua that please come back on the Popcorn Hour to
Keep
just
coming.
do a deep dive into Delhi.
Yeah.
Because this was not an episode long enough to discuss the depths of Delhi and depravity that we can go to with Malika Dua discussing
That
Delhi.
is true.
So
Yeah.
please go to the comments and be like, Didi, wapas aa jao. Wapas
And
aa jao.
please go in comments and call Shantanu Delhi ka darinda.
There is no need.
DKD.
DKD.
It's a good one.
DKD.
It's a good
Didi,
one.
DKD and Panda will return to discuss Delhi very soon. Say thank you, Didi, to everyone. Thank you, Didi, for coming.
Thank you everyone.
Thank
And
you.
I just wanted to say कि जितना रोना है रो लो, Delhi is best and better than the rest.
Oh, bhai. Oh,
Clap.
that look, that end look. Are you noticing
That
the
is
thing
real.
that's happening?
दिल्ली से हूँ,